Okay, before we start, shout out sa aking mga estudyante sa 7 admirability, 7 adaptability, and 7 altruism. I hope tapos na kayo sa inyong week 1, but kung hindi pa, let's review, or we will have some clarifications on how are you going to answer yung day or yung week 1, day 5, and week 2, day 1. Okay, so we are going to study now Venn diagrams to represent sets and subsets and apply it in solving problems. As I've said, this is for week 1, day 5, and week 2, day 1. Now, our objectives from the most essential learning competency for the mathematics grade 7 solves problem involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. And our objectives: identify the elements and subsets of a sets, show the relationship between sets and subsets using Venn diagram, and draw Venn diagram of the sets. Okay, looking back to your past lesson, a set is a collection of things, right? For example, a set of vowels in the English alphabet is equal to the set with elements A, E, I, O, U. A set of whole numbers less than 5 is equals to the set with elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, from our previous lessons, the union of two sets A and B is a set of all elements that are either in A or in B. The union of A and B is denoted by A union B, read as A union B, and the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of the elements that are both in A and B. The intersection of A and B is denoted by A cup B, or read as an A intersection B. The complement of set A, written as A prime, is the set of all elements in the universal set U that are not in A. The difference of set A and B, written as A minus B, is a set of elements in A that are not in B. Okay? So I am sure naintindihan nyo na lahat yan from the previous 2 videos. So kung hindi pa rin, we will learn more on this topic. Okay? Now, what's new? Ano ngayon yung pag-aaralan natin? We have a classic activity. Classifying things, no? Can you still remember your lesson in science about matter? Read the words inside the box, classify which word is solid and liquid, then answer the questions, no, that given. Write your answer on your notebook in a table form like below. So I'm sure you studied it already, but let's try if you had answered it correctly. All right. Again, we will use the pen. So let's go here from the solid. Which of these things are solid? Bag, notebook, books, pillow, drinks or soft drinks, oil, rocks, milk, water, soft drink. Soft drinks. Okay, which do you think are solids? Of course, we have bag, what else? Okay, so let's number na lang, no? Let's put number 1 as solid and 2 as liquid, no? So make it easy. So bag is solid, right? So 1. Notebook is also solid, right? Ay, sorry. That's supposed to be 1. Okay. So notebook is solid, book is solid, pillow is solid. Oil is liquid, so let's put 2. And rock is, what is rock? Is it solid or liquid? It is solid. Now, naku, napakatigas ng bato na yan. No? And then milk is liquid. Soft water is liquid, no? Liquid. And also soft drink is liquid, okay? Did you have the same answer? Now, what are the common characteristics of solid and liquid? Okay. Do they have common characteristics? As I remember, so the solid is hard, something you can, it has its own space, it has shape, size. Unlike liquid, they follow the shape and size of the container. What are the difference of solid and liquid in terms of their characters? Okay, I said already, no? The difference. Solid has its own shape, while liquid does not. Solid has its own, no? So, I think, grade 7 na kayo, alam niyo na yan. Okay? That is how we classify things. Now, let's have a brief introduction about the Venn diagram. Okay? This man here, uh, this man here is the famous, no? He is the, yeah, let's see. In 1980s, a mathematician, John Venn, conceptualized a visual representation for set relationship and set operations. Okay, so that is about 200 years ago, but still his knowledge is with us, his concept, his theories. No? A Venn diagram is a diagram that shows the relationships among sets. Circles are drawn to represent sets, and the intersections of these circles represent the intersection of the given sets. A particular set may be highlighted by shading the regions containing the elements of sets. Okay, what is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram uses overlapping circles or other shapes to represent the logical relationship between two or more sets of items. Okay? Now, if a set A is a subset of set B, then the circle representing set A is drawn inside the circle representing set B. If a set A and set B have some elements in common, then to represent them we draw two circles which are overlapping. If set A and set B are disjoint, then they are represented by two non-intersecting circles. So, dalawang circles yan na magkahiwalay. Alright, let's represent sets on a Venn diagram. Now remember, we define set as a well-defined collection of objects. And each member of a set is called an element. All elements of a set follow a certain rule and share a common property amongst them. To understand how sets are denoted, consider the set of vowels in the English alphabet. Let this set be represented by letter V. So this set contains 5 elements. We have A, E, I, O, U. And this can also be written as V is equal to my bracket. That's important, no? Importante yan. A, E, I, O, U. Now, a two-circle Venn diagram is a visual way to show relationship among sets using circles. Okay, like this, no? So, ito yon, no? Two-circle Venn diagram. Okay, we have elements in A only, and in B, these are elements in B only. And in the intersection part, these are elements in both A and B. Okay? Okay, let's have an example. We can create a Venn diagram that will show the sets of factors of 6 and 8. So notice that the factors that are the same for both numbers 1 and 2 are included in an overlapping circle. Here. Okay, we have the factors of 6 and 8. Of course, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so the overlapping here, no? What are then the only factors of 6, which is not for 8, is 3 and 6. And the only factors of 8, which only for 8, is 4 and 8. While the factors common to 6 and 8 is 1 and 2. Yan yung sinasabing intersection. Right? So let's try. Paano natin isusulat yan? Let's use the pen. For A, so factors of A is 1, 2, 3, and 6. And the factors of 8, which is B, which is for set B, we have 1, wait, no, okay, again, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, that's it. So that's why here we could say that 1 and 2, no? 1 and 2 are the intersection of elements, no? Of elements A and okay, let's compare things. Study the words. Study the words in the box. Identify the animals, things that fly and walk. Write your answer in the Venn diagram. Okay. Now, what are the things that fly? No, or animals only, or both animals and things that fly. Okay? Okay. Bat. Is bat flying? Yes. Okay. So we can put it here. So this is animals or animals that fly, no? So saan natin ilalagay? Both, 'di ba? He is an animal, also a thing. Is it correct? Correct ba? Okay. So, yes, both character. So, dito si bat. Okay. So, this is the bat. Oops. I cannot control my hands. Okay, yung bat dito. Huh? Okay. What about the caterpillar? Does it can fly? No. So, dito lang siya. His own animal. At caterpillar cannot fly. No? O, basta caterpillar ito. Caterpillar. Oh, okay. The best thing maybe we could just write their first letter, no? So that it could be easy for me. Basta I'm telling you naman what's the answer here. So this is caterpillar, stands for C. And then shark. The shark fly? No, it's only swim. So S for shark. Rocket. Rocket is things that fly. Is that a thing that fly? Rocket can fly? Okay. Yes. It fly. What about butterfly? Huh? Butterfly is an animal. Huh? Animals that fly. Yes. Yes, for butterfly. B1 is for bat. B2 is for butterfly. What about bird? Bird is an animal that flies. So it's B3. Okay, B3. Airplane. Oh, it's a thing that fly. A. And horse. Horse running. No, it cannot fly. So here. What about bee? Bee is an animal and also can fly. So it's B4. Okay. Did you get the answer? Huh? Did you get the answer? The correct answer? Again, no? So for these things, bat or other animals, I mean, bat, butterfly, airplane, caterpillar, balloon, air balloon, horse, shark, bird, bee, rocket. Oh, do we miss something? I think okay. Here, this B1 is for bat, B2 for butterfly, B3 for bird, and B4 is for bee. Alright? C for caterpillar, S for shark, H for horse, R is for rocket, A is for airplane, and another A. So A1 is airplane, and AB is for the air balloon. Because an air balloon, a thing that fly, no? Okay? So, did you get it? Thanks. No? No. From the example only. Hanap ko kanina. Okay. Because it's 8:20. Yeah, okay. That is why we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and set C, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, for A minus B, now if you are going to see this diagram, We have A, no? So, let's look this, no? Venn diagram. So, we have 3, A, B, and C. So, if we're going only to get the answer for A minus B, no? So, the answer is only 11, 13, and 15. Why? Ito lang po ang member talaga ng A. Okay, ito. B minus C. What's the answer here? Ito lang din po. 10. Or here, 12, 10, and 16. 12, 10, and 16. Siya lang po ang member ng B. What about C minus A? Ang C minus A, ang member lang niya is 7, 9, 18, and 20. No, bakit? Hindi nakasali itong dalawa. Because 14 is the number between 3. No, yung 3 sets, their intersection is 14. While 12 is the intersection between A and B. And 18 is the intersection between B and C. And 11 is the intersection between A and C. Okay? That is how we read the Venn diagram. No? Para madali sa atin ang pag-solve mamaya. No? Okay? So, yan yung B. And here is the C. Okay? Right? Gets it? We have additional activity or the performance task, no, for this first quarter. Okay, active performance task number 1. Okay, number 1, survey at least 20 of your friends and ask them about their favorite food. Okay, make a human Venn diagram for the result. Now, paano gagawin yon? For example, nag-survey ka ng 20 friends mo. It's either your friends in elementary, pwede yun. No problem. Gagawa ka muna ng list ng friend. Okay? For example, list ng friend mo, no? Yung name nila. Okay, name. Okay, pangalan. Name, and then here at the top we have favorite food. Okay, favorite food. Okay, so walk through na natin to paano gagawin, no? So gagawa ka parang table. Halimbawa, ako, no? Halimbawa si Fe, ang paborito niyang food ay adobo. Okay, I like adobo. Pork chop, joke. Adobo, vegetables, no? More on vegetables. Any vegetables I eat. Kambing nga ako eh. Okay, adobo, vegetables. So, kahit next. Halimbawa, si Franz. Si Franz, ang lagi lang niyang kinakain ay chicken. Niluto ng chicken. Chicken yan. Okay, chicken. Okay, no? So, ganun din ang gagawin nyo sa ibang, halimbawa. And then, pag nagawa nyo na yan, food, halimbawa, adobo, kung halimbawa, 20, no? Make a human Venn diagram for the result. Paano gagawin yung human Venn diagram? Pwedeng allowed 3, no? Okay. So, halimbawa, say, F, At saka si if1, samahan mo siya ng isang friend na sino ba? Si F3. Puro F, no? Oh, parehong adobo. May chicken adobo din, oh. Pero dapat naka-specify kung ano yung gusto nila na food. Kung tatlo na itong friend mo, pareho silang kain, ilagay dito sa gitna. Halimbawa, adobo. Pero si F1 at si F2, ang pareho nilang gusto ay tinola. No? Tinola. Pero ito, ano ba talagang gusto lang niya na siya lang? Ito din si F2, ano yung what food that she wants that is really for her. And the same also with F3. Okay? Get it? Next. So, burahin muna natin yung una, no? Okay, I hope you get it na. Next. Okay. Now, for another number 2, a teacher will make 3 intersecting circles inside the classroom. Will be marked using a chalk. Teacher will stand in the circles that represent their data. Stand in correct position. Okay, alright, now, so you pretend that there is a teacher. Then set A is the students like to eat Jollibee. Okay. Oh, now, which is better? You choose 1 or 2. Okay, here in 2, no,